Hi everyone, it's Natalie from RecPro. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean and protect your Brisa and Suprema RV furniture that we sell here at RecPro using the interior cleaner and the leather care. And if you would like to purchase these items, you can go ahead and click the links below. So the interior cleaner is good if your child drops food on your sofa, if you have dirt on you. Another thing is the oils from our hair products, our scalp, can sometimes lay on the headrest. You may not see it, but it's there. Oils from our hands on the armrest. This is a really good spot treater, but it's also really good to wipe down the entire sofa or chair. If you're going to use this to just treat a spot, you're going to want 2 towels. One is going to be wet. You're going to wring it all the way out to where it's just a little damp. The other one's going to stay dry. You're going to spray this directly on the spot. You can either use a towel or you can use a soft bristle brush to get that spot out. You're going to wipe it off with the damp rag, get all that dirt off there, and then you're going to finish it off by using the dry towel to dry the wet spot up. If you're going to want to use this as an overall cleaner, especially the headrest and the armrest, it's better to spray it directly on the towel and wipe the larger areas. And then here we have the leather care. This is really good to use on the entire piece of furniture, either Brisa or Suprema. We suggest doing this to prolong the life of the furniture. It moisturizes the fabric and it keeps it conditioned. This is really super simple. You're going to spray it onto a dry towel. We recommend not spraying this directly on the fabric, but just put it on a dry towel, wipe down the area, and that's it, and then you're done. If you like to purchase these items, go ahead and click the link below. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and remember, when rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.